In my workshop, I covered how most people think of their phone as just something to answer emails, maybe take the odd photograph. I'm getting them to rethink that and realize that their phone is actually a professional tool. So if you know how to use it, which apps to use, maybe a microphone, tripod, which accessories you can use. There are journalists, filmmakers using their mobile phones. So it's more of a changing the perception of your mobile phone and getting the best out of it. There's a whole industry creating microphones, lights, all those sorts of things, especially for smartphones. And it's mass market, so it's a lot cheaper to get microphones and those sort of things for a phone than it is for a big kind of professional camera. So it's only when people get their hands on, they get to actually pick things up, play with stabilizers, they get to realize what's out there. I had a number of people who work for news organizations, and you could literally see the penny drop where they realized they needed to make video. They don't have the budgets to go and have lots of video crews, and then they come to the table and they say, how much is that tripod? How much is that microphone? And then you test it, you plug it in, they hear it back, and they realize, actually we could use this. We could make news stories using this very affordable equipment. We already have the phone. I've been really pleasantly surprised by the kind of people who have been coming up and speaking to us here in Sharjah. There are people working for governments, working for the media, all sorts of different fields, but they could all see how they need video. Maybe it's marketing, maybe it's communications, maybe it's news. So people are coming with really practical examples. I would like to achieve this. How could what you're teaching, what you're showing me, achieve that?